Meaning of impromptu.
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 Impromptu. Impromptu refers to something done without preparation or planning, often performed spontaneously or on the spur of the moment. It can apply to a variety of situations, from speeches and performances to social gatherings and events. The result of an impromptu action can vary widely depending on the context and the skill or creativity of the individual involved. In some cases, it may lead to unexpected success or a memorable experience, while in others, it could result in embarrassment or failure. Ultimately, the outcome of an impromptu act is largely determined by the circumstances and the individual's ability to adapt and respond in the moment.